Hello and welcome to another 3D printing video. Today I'm going to be printing something that has to do with my hat. So my hat, on it says 116, and that is a representation of a Bible. That's like a logo style of a Bible verse, Romans 1:16. The first part of that verse is, "For I'm not ashamed of the gospel." And that Bible verse means a lot to me because I'm not ashamed of what I believe. I'm a Christian, I believe in Jesus Christ, and that's a big part of me. And so today I'm printing that logo. Actually, it's a different style of the 116 logo. That's just words. It has a 1, then a 1, and then big letters SIX. And so I'm printing that out in my color changing PLA. It's going to be pretty epic. So let's print this thing. Print finished. And I'm going to pull it off the build plate. And here it is. I put tape on it because it was peeling up a little bit. I didn't want it to rip off completely. That was just to make sure that it would finish without failing. Now, as you can see, it's turning green a little bit, and that's because it was on the warm build plate and it was yellow, and the nozzle was really hot, so it made it yellow. But now that I've pulled it off, it's cooling down, the edges are getting green, back to its color when it's cold. I think that's pretty epic. I'm going to, there's a bunch of stringers and stuff. I'm going to peel all those off and then show you guys a little bit more. Okay, so I got a bunch of the little pieces off, and here it is, 116, Romans 1:16, "For I am not ashamed of the gospel." And so I have a heat gun that I can heat this thing up. Boom, and that fast, it's already all the way, oh, except the back, all the way yellow. That looks pretty cool. And it's a low enough temperature that you can just get it warm in your hand. So from green, and you just hold it, and it'll be yellow. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like. And if you like 3D printing stuff, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Leave a comment what I should print next, because I love printing things. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.